Hi, so welcome to the very first day of our 31 days journey. So we're going to be kicking off this journey with the recitation of all the sounds we have practiced so far on this channel. So first and foremostly, we're going to be reciting this, okay? The ba, baby, boo, boo. I know we've done that previously, but I want us to start like from the very beginning because I want this very journey to be super detailed. I want everyone who is able or whosoever that's going to participate on this journey to have something to write home at the end of this 31 days. So, are you ready? Ba, be, bi, bo, boo. Ba, be, bi, bo, boo. Ka, se, si, ko, ku. Ka, se, si, ko, ku. Da, de, di, do, do. Da, de, di, do, do. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. La, le, li, lo, lu. La, le, li, lo, lu. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Kwa, kwe, kwi, wo, hu. Kwa, kwe, kwi, wo, hu. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Sa, se, si, so, su. Sa, se, si, so, su. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Sa, se, si, so, su. Sa, se, si, so, su. Ya, ye, yi, yo, yu. Ya, ye, yi, yo, yu. Za, ze, zi, zo, zu. Za, ze, zi, zo, zu. So I'm reciting it in this pattern in order that you can easily recite it on your own. So it's really gonna be nice if you could read this again and again just for you to master the sounds, how they are being pronounced. All right, so let's move on. So I have below here the 26 letters of English language. Looking at those places, I'm not going to find the A, E, I, O, U because this is written according to the 26 letters of English language, but these ones are omitted. They are the vowel sounds and they are what we have right here, here. Before now, we've done a lot of sounds, but today I want us to go back to this because this is the basic, okay? We're going to be visiting all the sounds that we have done in this journey. So if you're just joining me, it is a kind of starting out fresh from the basic. So you make sure you take your time to pay a very good attention and participate actively in this journey. So let's go. So the list I have here are called the vowels of English language. There are 5 in number, the A, E, I, O, U. In case you're just joining me, I have a tutorial for this. These sounds, how they are being pronounced. I said that these sounds have 2 forms of pronunciation. Some have 3. And that thing I want to bring to your notice today is that There are sometimes you will find a particular word in English language starting with, for example, H. You find out that at the end of the day that the H will entirely be omitted in that word. So we have what we call silent letters. They are letters that appear silent when they are being pronounced in a particular word. The letters that when they begin a word, in the middle of a word, or at the end of the word, they appear to be silent, but you will find them in that word. All right. Now, for example, we have R, and you find out that R begins with the letter H, but the H is entirely silent, but it begins with the letter H. But you can't find the H being pronounced. You hear R instead of how. You hear R, you start with letter O. Okay, that's where the pronunciation starts, but you found out that H begins the word. So we have what we call silent letters in English, and there is no particular letter that is a silent letter. The silentness is only applicable to words. In a particular word, you will find a letter being silent, and another one is going to be pronounced. Okay, so I want you to get that fact first and foremostly. Now let's move on. I'm going to start with the very first letter combination. We have the BA, which we call the bar sound. English sounds are organized to form a word. Every word you see today in English language is organized. When I mean organized, you pick this letter, you pick the other one, you pick the other one, you add them up, then give you a particular word. That is what I meant by a word being organized. So every English word is organized from these letters, from the 26 letters of English language. And sometimes you will find these mixtures being pronounced together in a sentence. Some other three mixtures, like we've done before, being pronounced together. Now let's see how it works. Now I have BA, the bar sound. This bar can be changed to a lot of things. You can add a letter to the front, that's here, to change this sound. You can equally add at the beginning to change the sound. You can add two letters to change the sound. You can equally add two letters at the beginning to change the sound. This is how it works. So let's start. Now when I have BA, if I want to change the sound of this from bar, I can change this to bat, to back, to band, whatever. So let's try it out. I have BA. If I decide to add M, it becomes ba, bam, bam. All right, you see that the ba is there plus M becomes bam, ba, ba. This is me sound when it's being pronounced right here. Sometimes it sounds like N, and the other time it sounds like me. So it is bam. Okay, if I add N here, it becomes ban, and if I choose to add T, it becomes bat. Okay, if I choose D again, it becomes bad. Do you understand? And the bar sound remains the same. Now if I keep increasing these words, it's going to be giving me different words. Okay, now I have B, A, N. I can add D and it becomes band. You can see that all the sounds are, this is band, band. This is band. You can see that the ba is there, the N is there, plus the D. It gave me band. Okay, you can decide to add maybe IT here. This is IT. It is it. It will give you bandits. Bandit. You can see that here now the word is splitted. Okay, it's now in trees. Bandits. Bandits. All right. So let's see another word. Again, I can pick a letter. Let's say I pick SE, the C sound. I have SE. When I decide to add maybe T, I'm going to get set. All right. I decide to add maybe another E here. I'll have C. It is very important that we know these sounds because most times English word can be subdivided. They are being divided, some in twos, in threes, in fours, in fives, before you put them together to get a particular word. You can see that this is bandit. It is being splitted in twos. Bandits. This is it. Dit. Now, for example, you can have the ya sound, the YA, and when I choose to add the M here, you have yam. This is yam. Yam. It gives you the yam. And now when you decide to eliminate this and you have this, you're going to see that this is ya, ya. The only difference you're going to see here now is that this one was shorter, but this was longer. But the R there is not pronounced. It is silent. You now have ya. So I decided to add D to this. And I have D. It changed from ya to yad, 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 yad. So let's see another one again. GI, as we know, the G or the G, okay? For instance, when we have girl, it is the G sound. We have gist, okay? We still have the G sound. As long as we keep adding letters to a word, it's going to keep changing sounds. That is the very first thing we need to know. Once you are adding letters, the sounds will keep changing, but it's going to maintain the letters sound. Just like we did here. We have ba, from ba, it entered ban. From ban, I added D, it becomes band. From band, I added IT, it becomes bandit. Bandit. Now, if I was to say band it, I won't just get the right pronunciation, but I have to split it this way, bandit. All right, I have to get the right pronunciation. Do you understand? Let's still see this form. I have ba plus D. We have ba, t, because D is added. Let's see ba plus C. We have back, because C is k, or the s, or the k sound. This C is pronounced in 3 forms, okay? So let's move on. You have back. Right here is sounding as the k sound, okay? So let's see another one. We have C. After CD, we have F, because we're not working with E. So we have the F. We have baff, This is f. If you have another one like G, you have the back. So you can see we have back, bat, buff, back. The sounds are there. Now again, let's go for H. This is B-A-H. So what do we call this? Remember, we're just working to get the sounds. So some of the words we have here are not just meaningful words. We are just focusing on the sounds, all right? So we have the ba. The H is silent. After H, we have I. We are not working with that because we have it here as the vowel sound. We move right to her, J. When you add J, you have batch. Have Bajaj. Bajaj product, Bajaj. Okay, now you had this K here, it becomes back. You have L, you add L, it becomes bal. You have balance. Okay, let's move to M. We've done that before. We have bam. To N, we have ban. To O, we are not working with that. We have that right here. We have bap, baptism. Okay, we move B-A-P. We have back. We have ba, B-A-R, ba. You can see that the re sound is quite silent, okay? But it's being pronounced as ba. All right, let's move on. We have the S. We have bass. We have the T. We have bat. The bat. We are not working with the U because we have it right here. We have V. We have the bav. We have the W. We have the bow. You can see that it is silent. Okay, we have B-A-X. We have, this is the bags. We have Y, this is B. And we have Z, the bars. So looking at this, you're going to understand that these sounds keep changing as we move according to how they are being pronounced. It either falls on the normal 26 alphabet recitation or it falls to the sound of the second category. So let's see them. We have the back, bad, baff, bag, ba, batch, back, bal, bam, ban, bap, back, ba, bas, back, bav, bow, backs, by, baz. You can see how it keeps changing according to the next letter that follows it. So it keeps going this way. If you move from, for instance, we'll take this. We have B, A, C, and it's moved beyond this. Maybe you decide to add K. You have back, back, my back. All right. Or maybe you decide to choose ba. You may decide to add R, Y, it becomes Barry. You see now the R is out because it is double right here, Barry. Okay, another word again. For instance, maybe we decide to take M-O. We have this, M-O plus C, we have muck, muck, muck. We have M-O plus D, we have mud, mud, mud. We have M-O plus F, muff. We have M-O plus G, we have mug, mug, mug. We add again M, this is H, we are now working with I, move to J, have much, mug, mall. This M, we move on to N, we have mon, Monday, we have mop, mop, we have mop. This is the hui sound, so we have mop, 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 mop. We are working with M, but we can still add M and we still get mom. All right, we have mon, ni, mon, mom. All right, so we have mop. The next sound after P is Q, so we have the mo. This is hui. Okay, we have more, more. This is R, more. We have mos, mos because of the S. We have must. Okay, not must. We have mot, mot, mot because of the T. We're not working with the U. We move to V. We have mov, mov, mov. So for W, we have mo, mo, and X, we have mus, mus, and Y, we have moi, moi. So it goes like that to Z, we have mus, mus. All right, some of these words can actually change. Some of this pronunciation can actually change depending on the word that is being pronounced or depending on which of this letter form, either the ni or the N, the me or the M, you know, something like that, depending on what comes next, which word is carrying that particular sound. That is the only way you're going to get the perfect sound. So this is just the beginning of what we're going to do on this lesson. And if you just see me for the first time, so welcome to the channel. This is what we do here. Right here, we learn how to read, write, and speak. And if you just see me for the first time, so welcome to the family. This is what we do here. And if you like what we do, you can actually join this family simply by subscribing. And when you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button. And that way you get notified whenever I post a new video. So this is where we're going to be calling it short for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to do so, and see you soon on my next video. Bye for now.